Hello, Mr. Santella here, and I'm going to give you a brief little introduction into Canvas, what you need to know just to be able to navigate this page and to get your work submitted. This is going to become much more clear to you as the semester progresses. We're all going to be used to this in very short order. But when you go to Canvas for Global, you're going to arrive at your home page. It looks like this. You'll see the globe. You'll scroll down. There are some columns there, which I apologize are not formatted very well now, and I haven't been able to figure out how to fix that just yet, but we'll get that worked out as the semester progresses. What you need to know here is there will be three columns. First column will have my schedule, office hours, and how to reach me, email link. The second column will have your link for Zoom. So it's here now. You can see it, it's right here, right? Global Studies Zoom link. That's what you will click to be able to access Zoom when we are having class. And I will try and fix that as soon as I can to make it a little bit more presentable. On the right, you're going to have this video, which I am recording right now for how to use this course. And I will update that as maybe the web page changes a little bit and as to make this a little bit clearer. The important things you're going to want are on the bottom here. In particular, you're going to want to pay attention to the calendar button. That'll take you to a calendar which you will have due dates for your work will appear on this calendar. You can sort it by month, so you'll see them by month, by week, and by agenda item. There's nothing on it now because the semester is just starting, but there will be. Right? I would like to go back to the home page, so I'm going to click my courses here, go back to Global Studies. The other key buttons on the bottom you're going to want to pay attention to are your modules in particular. So modules, if I click that now, it's actually going to take me back to the home page because I don't have any modules published yet. But as those modules are published, they will appear there. Modules is where you're going to go to complete your work. You'll get your assignments. They'll be broken into units there, and you'll be able to submit directly from that page. Syllabus will have the syllabus for the course. We're going to go over that on day one, and Meet Your Teacher will just have some information about me. That's really all you need to know to navigate Canvas. Everything, we're going to try and make this as simple as possible. You have the added benefit of the fact that your teacher is not very tech savvy, so everything's got to be broken down into very simple steps for me, so I'm going to be doing the same for you because that's generally how I understand it. If you have questions or difficulties navigating Canvas, just send me an email and we'll get it worked out together. All right, see you in class.